Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Today I'm going to show you something on the Sandbox tools, and it's called From Contours. If you can't see, the Sandbox tool is here, View, Toolbars, and then scroll down to the bottom, or near the bottom, and there you go, Sandbox, and just check it, and then close. Sandbox tools, you need to already have drawn some topology like this. I just drawn with the freehand tool and then did offset. I'll show you quickly what we did. Just something like this, freehand, and then just offset it quite a few times. Double click, double click, double click, and I just deleted these surfaces and then move them all up along the blue axis. So we got the topology ready, and now I want to cover it with a surface all over. So what we do, we select all the contours, go over to the Sandbox tools, From Contours, click on this, and there you go. It places a surface between all the lines. So that's a quick way to create the topology from contours on the Sandbox tools. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.